Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Dancing Photog with another social rebel video. Listen, look at that balance right there. Current balance $5,000. Boom. Check it out. See the clicks, see the invites, offers, posts, offer commission, which really isn't much. You could probably do much better than that. Listen, we're going down. You got to do the apps. You got to do the surveys. These are the ways to earn. Invite people, test the apps, free surveys. You got to post on social media. That's where you're going to make your money. Requirements completed. Now, check this out. Top members also get their payments within 5 to 10 minutes if you're verified. That's dope if you could do that. You know what I mean? Many members are making over $1,000 daily, yo. Listen, we're going back up. We're about to cash out right now, kids. Cashing out. Listen, as you see the current balance, 5,000, about to hit the cash out button. All right, let's hit the cash out so we can cash out so y'all can see it. Boom, hit the cash out success. Cash out. I got something to tell y'all too, a little bit about once you get up to a certain limit, it gets really crazy. Okay, there's my current balance. You see it was 5,000. All right. Listen, they say congratulations on your cash out. Now, I haven't been paid yet, but check it out. You're going to get paid. All right, going down the payment history. Okay, you see that payment history is going to go, is probably be like at the end of next month. But, you know, we will see. So success on that cash out. Listen, you want to go to you got the invites, you got the offer center. These are the ways to get paid, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, on the social pay, you know what I mean? I just hit that cash out. Social Rebel. Social Rebel is real dope. Listen, check out the apps. Check out the apps. They got all these apps right here. You could get paid on 120, 45, 65. You know what I mean? So you can get paid on the apps. You can get paid going further down, not just the apps, but you can get paid right here on the surveys, going down on the surveys. You see all these apps you can get paid from. Then you can go down on the surveys. You can get paid from also. But you can get paid from the surveys, but you get paid from the apps, downloading the apps much quicker. Yo, you see that? The social pay from Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, all that, okay? So check it out. This is what you want to do. But once you cross over to that 9,000 mark, you're going to have to get the invites and you're going to have to download the apps. That's straight up and down. You're going to have to do much more. You know what I mean? I hope you could do it. Join right now. The link is below. Social Rebel. Get the link. Get some of this money. Do it. I'm doing it for y'all. I want to make sure it works. Not just for me, but I want to make sure it works for y'all. Social Rebel.